You found a video that you want to watch, but it is a bit too long. Instead of watching a 40-minute long video or increasing the playback speed to 2x, you can just summarize it in seconds and go straight to the most important parts, skipping all the necessary fluff. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Gemini Notebook to summarize not just one video, but multiple videos. And not just videos. You can do PDFs and other files as well. To start, open Gemini. Don't type anything yet. On the left-hand side, you can see New Notebook. If you click on this button, you will need to enter your project name. Let's say language learning. Next, click on Add Sources and paste the URL of the video that you want to be summarized. Don't just click on Upload Files. If you do, you'll get redirected to your computer files. But what we want to achieve is we want to paste a YouTube video. So choose option Add Websites and paste the URL of the video. You can read some more requirements, what exactly you need to do. And if you click Insert, it may take few moments. And once it's done, you will see the number of sources that were added. In our case, it's just one. Now you can ask any questions you may have about this video or files that you uploaded. I already prepared some questions. Let me just copy paste. Here we go. Let's just ask Notebook some questions. What is this video about? Are there any key details covered in this video? How can video help me learn languages faster? Even if you have watched this video, you might still miss some important information. So Google Notebook serves as a real good recap. In this case, you need to clarify some information. You can just keep asking some questions, and Notebook will use the video you added as its primary source. As you can see, Google Notebook just shares the information what this video is about. You can just read it, no need to watch 40-minute long video. If you want to clarify something, you can keep asking some questions. For example, is this video for B2 level students? And Notebook will be answering all your questions and use this video as a primary source. So this tool is called Notebook. You can either work with it directly in Google Gemini, or you can open its own link, Notebook. Creating a notebook. Here we go. So that's the website, notebook.google. If you click on Try Notebook, loading Notebook, you can create one. And as you can see, you can use do pretty much the same thing. You can upload different sources. In our case, if you want to upload something, a video, you can just choose option as web. So if you don't have enough time to watch a full video, Notebook is the way to go. Let me know if you already use this tool. If not, you can just try it out and let me know how it's working for you. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, if you found some value in it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.